So this is, I guess, the other tunnel we're going to in the Hoover Dam. So this is basically it.
I think you're not going to be let in. There's all the government sites that are no access to the you're going to
Wow.
Welcome, folks, to the Nevada wing of the power plant. At this time, I'd like to bring your attention down to those large burgundy generators in 4 rows. We have 8 of those generators here on the Nevada side, 9 more on the Arizona side, for a total of 17. When the generator is running, the light on top is on. You'll also see in the center of the generator is a metal shaft. When running, it spins at 180 revolutions per minute, powered by the water that came from that penstock water pipe we just looked at. Also attached to that metal shaft is a large rotor, 44-ton electric magnets spinning inside a copper coil case, making electricity. Each one of these generators, folks, produces 100. It's not there. Upper Copper Dam did not need to be removed because the top of the lake is much higher than the top of that dam. Only used to force the water into these pipes. Now, the final key feature are the 2 spillways. There's one on the Nevada side, one on the Arizona side. They help prevent damage to the dam by preventing water from going over the top. They're located 27 feet below the crest height of the dam. Only been used twice, once in 1941 to test the use, and then once for real in 1983 due to very heavy snow melt that year. In this photo taken in 1983, behind me here, you can see that the level of the lake is just 7 feet from the top of the dam. They were used for 63 consecutive days, folks. Water flow was roughly equal to that of Niagara Falls. A tremendous amount of water, tremendous. People from everywhere came just to see that. Okay, now the next step, we're not done. We're going to the balcony right here, folks. Next stop. I have to be out in front to lead us back to the elevator. We're taking 2 elevators. I'll try to keep family and friends together, but if you get a little separated, don't worry, because we're going to the same spot, right? Just 1 floor up. Okay. Put that back, and we're going to walk along the right side as we go back, because